Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook venison cube steak. First, make sure your venison cube steak is fully thawed, then gently pat it dry with paper towels. Next, pound each piece to about 1/4 inch thick using a meat mallet, which helps break down the fibers and tenderize the meat. Finally, generously season both sides of your steak with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, ensuring even coverage for flavor. Now, set up your breading station with 3 shallow dishes ready for action. In the first dish, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of paprika and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. The second dish will hold 2 large eggs, whisked until smooth, and the third dish needs 1½ cups of plain breadcrumbs. Dip each venison steak into the flour, then the egg, and finally press it firmly into the breadcrumbs, ensuring a complete coating. For the best results, heat 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, or another high smoke point oil, in a large, heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place 1 or 2 breaded venison steaks into the pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, or until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust and reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the cooked steaks and let them rest. A delicious gravy truly completes this dish, so let's make one using the pan drippings. After removing your steaks, leave about 2 tablespoons of fat in the skillet. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and cook for 1 minute, creating a roux. Gradually pour in 2 cups of beef broth, or chicken broth if you prefer, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Simmer for about 5 minutes until the gravy thickens to your desired consistency. Then season with salt and pepper.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.